Very good morning, students. How are you all today? Hope all of you are safe, healthy, and studying with us. I, Sabah Shaheen, as your biology teacher, welcome you all again in this beautiful class. Today, I will teach biology of class 12th, chapter number 2, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So this is the first lecture of lesson 2, where we'll be discuss about structure of flower. Okay, students? Before moving to the topic, let me ask something to you all. What are flowering plants? Do you know what are the flowering plants? Okay, I will tell you. All flowering plants are angiosperm, which show sexual reproduction and also bear covered seeds. Flowers are the sites of sexual reproduction. So, this is the most important part of the plants. Now, let's talk about the structure of flowers. Students, you already have studied it in class 10th. अब हमें थोड़ा इसे और देखना है और हमें क्या याद है और क्या याद करके रखना है. ओके, सो फ्लावर्स अटैच टू द स्टेम बाय द स्टाक, राइट, and this stalk is called receptacles. Okay, students? Now we have leaf-like structure which is called as sepal, okay, which actually protects the flower. Next we have colorful part of the plant of the flower which is called as petal, okay, and these petals helps in the pollination by attracting the insects, okay. So the receptacle, sepal and petals are the accessory organs of the flower. Now let's talk about the different sex organ. Students, we know that in bisexual flower, both sex organ, that is male and female, are present in same flower just like hibiscus, and this is the bisexual flower, okay. But in unisexual flower, male and female sex organ are present in different flowers. Over here, see, this is a stamen which is male reproductive part or male sex organ of the flower, which consists two parts, anther and filament, okay. Anther bears pollen grain which is attached to the filament. Anther is a bilobe structure and each lobe consists two theca. Understand all of you? Now next we have female sex organ, that is carpel, which has three main parts: stigma, style and ovary, okay. Stigma is nothing but it is the sticky receptive tips of the pistil that is responsible for catching the pollen. And style, you can see this style is a neck-like structure which transfer the male gamete into the ovary inside the ovule where the female gamete, that is egg, are present, okay. And it is the connection between the stigma and ovule. Ovary consists ovule and inside the ovule female gamete, egg, are present, okay students. So this is all about the structure of the flower. Now next we have homework for you all, and you all have to draw a structure of the flower and also write all the topics of today's class. And after the completion of this chapter, there will be online test for you all. So prepare all these topics, okay students. So with this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning. Keep smiling. Bye, students. Take care, all of you.